Good day, everybody. Welcome to Relaxing Living.
Good afternoon, everybody.
The infamous, the one and only, my wont.
Yay!
What are we cooking today?
We are going to do barbecue loin tip.
Actually, smoked, and we are going to do a tri-tip. I got a big hunk of meat here. We're going to do a simple SPG, which is a salt, pepper, garlic. This recipe is 4 parts salt, 2 parts garlic, 2 parts pepper, and this is the one that's going to take a little bit of time, so we'll just fast forward. And then 2 parts minced onion. You don't have to add this. So we're going to mix this up, do a dry rub, throw it on the smoker at 275, 250 for about 2 hours, and pretty straightforward, simple. We'll take it from there. Try this recipe out. Let us know how it works out for you in the comments below. And let's do some close-up. A little smoke.
Sounds yummy. I'm ready.
Okay, let's get it going.
Why don't you take everything out?
That's the good part, but yeah. Remove it. All right, I'll remove it all. There we go. Now I don't want to taint my bowl with raw meat hands. We're just going to sprinkle this all on. Generously, don't be shy. Rub that all around. That salt's gonna pull all of that moisture out. Give me a little sprinkle.
Sprinkle.
That's good, that's good. Right. All right, there we go. At 250 for about 2 hours. We'll go from there. So let's go out to the smoker. All right, so we're gonna just do each side for about, I don't know, just a couple minutes. Give it a little spritz if you want. It's about 156. Let's check another part. 167. $159. Almost. Alright, let's look at that side. It's seared up pretty good. We're going to take this off, let it rest for 5 minutes, cut into it, see how it is. Alright, so our grains are going this way. And what we want to do is we want to cut cross grain. Now it is important to let your meat rest. We've had it resting now for about 5 minutes. And look at that. Absolutely fantastic.
Beautiful, beautiful.
My mouth is watering.
Mine too.
Let's cut off a piece and see how our handy woman, handy mother, there you go, mother.
Savoring. A+. Superb.
Okay.
So juicy.
We're gonna cut up this tri-tip and it's time to eat. So thank you all for joining us today. I hope that you'll try this out. Let us know how it works out for you. And until next time, stay relaxed. Keep on living. All right, just a quick post-mortem here. The rub here is a bit on the salty side. So I would suggest maybe instead of 4 parts salt, maybe doing something like a 2-part salt. Other than that, it is quite good if you like salt. Just keep that in mind. That's it for tonight. Take it easy.